How's it going, everybody?
Hey!
So where are we?
This is the Blowhole lookout.
It's gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
It's a beautiful day. Lots of wind blowing, so sorry if you can't hear us all the way. But we're just trying to capture the beauty up here. We started out our day running some errands, and we're gonna spend some time down at Sandy's at the beach. And this was just one of our stops because every time we pass it, we can never get parking.
Yeah.
Today we lucked out.
We lucked out, and it is amazing views. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
Yes. Yeah.
So we'll head on down to Sandy's and take it from there.
All right.
Hey. We're at Sandy Beach.
Yep.
And Connie is loving the water.
Yep.
Of course, I am not in the water, but I will likely put my feet in the water. But I actually have some other footage I need to take, but I hope you guys enjoy the footage that we're taking here. How are you liking the water, honey?
I love it. It's very rough today. There are flags up. The lifeguards are paying close attention because it's rough. And I can't go out there and just float or sit and relax. So I'm not even going all the way in because the current is strong. So if you're coming out to Sandy's, be careful. Play safe in the water. But I'm still very much enjoying it.
Yeah, you still love it.
Yes.
All right, let's continue our beach day.
All right. Be careful, don't fall. Woo! She's in the water, y'all. How's it feel, honey?
One day I'll go all the way in.
One day.
That feels good, honey.
Yeah, it does.
That is beautiful.
For honey.
Yeah. So,
shorts are wet, y'all.
I got my shorts wet.
It's a good thing we got swim trunks in the trunk for her.
That's what happened.
This is life on the beach. I love it.
Everybody would like to try?
Yeah.
All right.
Are you trying?
Are you familiar with any of these brands or businesses before?
Evan Williams looks
Yeah, they've been
familiar.
around forever. Yeah. Okay, let's start with that one.
Okay.
This one is a bottle in bond, so it's a 100 proof. quite, packs a punch. On its own, would be a little bit, probably a little bit too fiery, but like with a couple, cubes of ice, or like if you an old fashioned or a Manhattan, it's fantastic, because it's very, very much that classic bourbon taste.
The cups are sparkly today.
Yeah. We just try to source whatever we get, but like
I know.
now it's kind
Whatever
of
you
like
can get a hold
matches
of.
with the color, yeah. Just give it a bit very nice like orange notes, that orange peel, kind of like maple syrup. And as I said, like just take a little sip first because it's a
Pretty strong.
quite strong one. But very nice aroma, all in all it's metallic whiskey, So even Williams, they've been around for a very, very long time, and they are still producing a very decent quality whiskey that didn't get on this train, that all the other whiskey companies, that we do a big refresh, the marketing and the logo and everything, and they just hike up the price and you got like, 1,000 million types of whiskey out there. Even Williams is still, sticking to that base, that is just like the classic, natural like whiskey taste, on its own.
It is tasty.
Yeah, yeah.
It does have a little fire though.
Yeah, like so that's what I said, like on the rocks or whatnot.
It has a big fire.
I still feel it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you this Thomas Moore. That's
I may just hang out with this one.
Yeah. Take it. It's no rush. It's fine. So this is a little different. Okay. This used to be a very famous distillery in Frankfort, Kentucky, but they went down under, and then they got kind of like revived, and what we have to know about it is that they are also making not just this, but the 1792, the bottles down there, you see on the very bottom. Nice shape. And it's in the same distillery. Thomas Moore was the gentleman who actually founded the distillery in 1792, which is marks the year when Kentucky joined the United States and became the 15th state. So this is very different than any other bourbons that I tried because they are finishing the whiskey in a Cabernet Sauvignon.
This one's a
Yeah, that's the one.
Bourbon
Yeah,
whiskey,
that's
a bourbon whiskey.
With an extended cask finish. They aging the bourbon in wine barrels. Cabernet wine barrels. That's very unique. Like nobody really does that. It packs very nice aromas. It's a very bold, silky
I do like
texture.
it. That was good.
Even on its own, it's quite delicate because of that finish. It packs up extra layers.
This was
Granddaddy
good.
drink.
I like this.
Yeah, this is a nice stuff. It's
Your great granddaddy drink.
47 proof.
Bourbon whiskey, bourbon, whatever this is.
It's a little bit
I'm
weaker
a
than the even
cognac
Williams,
drinker.
but cognac might be up your alley with those fruitiness, but it's still very, very powerful for a cognac. Cognac is nice and sweet, it's just like
This is better than the other one.
yeah, it should be, yeah.
It was good. I liked it.
This one is a lot better than that.
I mean, that was good too. The flavor of this one's
Yeah,
good
it
too.
got me right
They're both
here.
a little fiery, feel it in your chest.
Yeah. I like
But
that.
it's good though.
Nature
I still like
warmer.
them.
Tina's
I'm sweating. Wow. That's good, but yeah.